أهلا بيكم. النهاردة الدرس رقم 126 من دروس تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية، وهنتكلم على النوع السابع من الكونكتورز أو من الروابط، اللي هي الروابط المسؤولة عن التعبير عن الرأي أو التعبير عن وجهة نظرك. إزاي أستخدم الكونكتورز عشان أعبر عن رأيي أو أعبر عن وجهة نظري. Okay. Hello and welcome. Today is lesson 126, and I am going to talk about connectors, how to use connectors to express your opinion or your point of view, and how to use this kind of connectors in everyday life and everyday conversation. So let's start. زي ما احنا شايفين قدامنا connectors or conjunctions. Opinion. Okay, opinion. الرأي. Examples. As far as I am concerned, my work is finished. I try to be the most honest from my point of view. I agree with you to a certain degree. In my opinion, the player must be disqualified. I think that Tina is the best worker. Connectors, conjunctions, opinion. You can start the sentence with these connectors when you want to express your point of view, right? You can start the sentence with these connectors when you want to express your point of view. It's written Arabic. يمكنك أن تبدأ الجملة بهذه الروابط عندما تريد التعبير عن وجهة نظرك. Connector example. As far as, from my point of view, I agree, I disagree, in my opinion. I think that it's true that personally, be honest, to tell the truth. Okay, first one, as far as, example. As far as I am concerned, my work is finished. We need to travel as far as we can tonight. Yeah, as far as I can tell. Turn left at the corner and keep on as far as the church. Opinion, the right. Okay, the second one or number two, from my point of view, from my point of view. Example, I try to be the most honest from my point of view. From my point of view, comma, I saw myself as helpful and supportive. This becomes even less and less advisable from my point of view. She speaks well from my point of view. opinion number 3, I agree. I agree with mom. I was simply stating that I agree with the man. I agree with Betsy. She couldn't travel this month. I agree with you to a certain degree. I agree it's for the birds. 4, I disagree. I disagree strongly with this idea. I'm afraid I have to disagree with you. I disagree with violent protests. We disagree on this matter. Five, in my opinion, examples. In my opinion, the player must be disqualified. Likes you too much, in my opinion. His comments were strange and rather incoherent, in my opinion. I received a mark which, in my opinion, seemed quite harsh. This part of the article is, in my opinion, downright dishonest. Number 6, I think that, example, I think that it's going to be good. I don't think that carrots are delicious. She doesn't think that the movie was good. I think that Tina is the best worker. 7, it's true that some people are working way harder nowadays without seeing results. It's true that hydrogen is inflammable. It's true that football is very popular. It's true that English is an international language. Number 8, personally, example. Personally, I noticed he wasn't involved in the new project. The player was personally criticized by his coach. I was personally offended by the article. Personally, I don't think much about the idea. Personally, I prefer the second option. Personally, I prefer the second option. Number 9, to be honest. Example, to be honest, I'd rather start my own business. We used to have quite a laugh about it, to be honest. I have to be honest that some of us do everything possible to woo the ladies. To be honest, I don't really agree with the direction the company is going in these days. Number 10, to tell the truth. To tell the truth. To tell the truth, the financial crisis will last a couple of years longer. To tell the truth, I don't remember when I saw her last. To tell the truth, she gave away all her money to others in desperation. To tell the truth, I didn't do my homework. To tell the truth, I couldn't finish it in time. To tell the truth, I used to smoke 2 bags a day. To tell the truth, I don't like his way of talking. This is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. And I always wish you all the best. Please press subscribe and like. See you soon and goodbye.